Hi again. I hope you got logged on to your Gmail and accepted the invites for the Google Classrooms. Next, what I would like for you to do is to open a Google Doc. And the way you're going to do that is over here, there are 9 little dots. Some people call it a waffle, some people call it a Rubik's Cube, but I want you to click on that, and that will open up your Google Apps. From there, you can find Docs, and you will click on it. It will open this page where you will want to start a new blank document, and from there you can type. um, there is lots of tools. Today we're just going to do basics because as time goes on I'll show you more of the tools, but you can type I is, and so you can type in it. If you wanted to insert a photo, insert image, and then you can upload from the computer, search from web, even by the camera. I don't know if it's going to let me because I'm screen recording. It's not going to let me. So you can use the webcam to take a picture, or you can insert one if you have one on your computer. So I look forward to seeing what you write about. I can't wait to get to know you.